Do you want to grow your business online and reach customers instantly? You're in the right place. Google Advertising, also known as Google Ads, allows businesses to connect with customers who are actively seeking what they offer. Unlike SEO, which can take time to generate results, Google Ads delivers immediate visibility for your business. It's simple and effective. Google Ads isn't one size fits all. You have options. Let's break down the different types of campaigns you can run. Search ads allow you to appear right when customers are searching. Display ads help you catch attention on websites. Each type has its unique strengths. Here are two quick examples. A gym saw a 35% increase in memberships through targeted ads. An e-commerce shop achieved 3x return on ad spend. To get the most from Google Ads, focus on keyword selection, compelling ad copy, smart budgeting, landing page optimization, and continuous campaign refinement. Google Advertising isn't just an option anymore, it's a necessity. Ready to take the plunge? Hit like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tips.